Gian, welcome to the chat. So Gian, how can you avoid getting overwhelmed by all the new technologies that are out there? Start with analytics. There's nothing wrong with starting with analytics and just kind of assessing data. But start with analytics, and what does the data tell you? And then from there, say, okay, well, what else can I do with this data? Well, maybe you can come up with some sort of regression model, right? So now you're getting into not just analytics and looking at data, but how can you use that data to create future predictions or future categories or things along those lines? And if you can do that, now you're taking more data science approach, right? Because what's regression? Regression is picking your features and assigning weights to them, right? That's regression in a nutshell. Well, guess what? That's a lot of data science in a nutshell too, right? A lot of data science is just about what weights are we going to attach to our features, right? And sorry guys, I have to do a couple things on TikTok here to keep the stream going to verify. But you know, that's kind of like a good progression to somebody who's new. Start with analytics, have some fun with that, find some analytic results that you can turn into a regression model, work on regression models, and then from there start expanding into other models that are more data science oriented. So Gian, I hope that helps you, and I hope that kind of gets you started on the road.